Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password on Bank Online Banking. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for bank. Click on this first website over here. On the top right corner, we can see this option called Sign In. So, let's tap on this and click on Sign In to Online Banking over here. Now, we need to enter our card number, which is of 16 digits. Since we do not know the password, click on Forgot Your Password over here. Now, enter your card number and enter your phone number as well. Once you are done, simply click on Continue. After this, the verification of your card number will be done, and you'll get a code in your phone number. After that, you can finally reset the password of Bank Online Banking. So, that is all we can do to reset Bank Online Banking password. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.